This is Captain Tinsley, Salty Abandon, and Salty Quickie. It's been a while. It's a beautiful day here in Orange Beach, Alabama. It's been pretty cool. Maybe not for some of you if you're in other areas of the country, but it's been in Gulf Shores and Orange Beach. It's been overcast, rainy. It seems like for like a couple of months. But I've been really focused on work and taking care of things. And you know, when I got back from my trip from the Keys in early August, I was hearing crickets. So my nose has been to the grindstone ever since I got back. And I am gearing up for a trip in around June 1st-ish. And we're going on a trip on an airplane tomorrow. So I came and was checking on the boat and just taking some things home, throwing some things out. Just cleaning up the boat, and I had something spilled over here. A bunch of cocoa powder was all spilled in here, so I cleaned all that. Just checking things, making sure this is on. Sometimes when the power goes off, it doesn't come back on. And I'm still working on putting in this cell booster. It didn't work out that I could put it here, so it's back there. See it right there? And I'm not able to put the outside antenna on the mast. The big wire wouldn't fit inside the mast. It's already too full. So I'm still working on that. I got somebody helping me. But being here at the boat is really... I also started the engine. I ran it for about 10 minutes. I checked the oil first, checked the antifreeze. Everything was good. I haven't started the engine in a couple months. But yeah, being here really is giving me the itch to get going. So I'm hoping June 1st-ish, something like that, start heading south again. And who knows how far I'll go. But last time I said I was going to the Bahamas and I didn't make it because there were problems. I just wanted to stay in the country and be close to repairmen and Seatow and Towboat US. So, but anyway, we are going on an exotic trip tomorrow. I'm going to keep it a surprise, and we will do a Salty Quickie when we get there. I am pale face. That's one of the reasons I am not in the camera. I'm looking forward to get some sun on my face, because like I said, it's been overcast here, and getting a little sun tan. So look who just showed up.
Hey.
So as I was saying, we're going on an exotic trip tomorrow. Don't say where.
Okay.
And Scott's got a little more color than I do, but I'm pretty pale face.
We're going to a very beautiful place. Can't wait to share it with you.
With a couple of friends, with a couple of good friends.
Yes, I'm looking forward to getting back to some spring and summer sailing soon, and posting some more videos and sharing some experiences and talking with everyone.
Yeah. So we're going somewhere exotic.
Looking forward to it. A beautiful place.
And it's some place that we haven't been since I got the boat.
Can't wait to share it with you.
Yep. We've got some friends there we're going to see. And some beautiful hiking. We'll say that.
Yes.
And that's it. And it'll be a surprise. We fly out Monday, so hopefully we'll do a Salty Quickie on Tuesday.
Plan.
Salty Abandon.
Out.